I've always believed most people don't have a garage door problem. They have a trust problem. When your garage door breaks, you're inviting a stranger into your home. You don't know if they're gonna be honest, competent, or try to sell you something you don't need. That's why I started M&M Garage Doors. My journey wasn't glamorous. I started in restaurants, worked in a bowling supply company. Eventually, I got an opportunity to work in the garage door industry. What started as a job became an obsession. I saw incredible people helping customers, but I also saw opportunity to raise the standard. Better communication, better training, better customer experience. In 2011, I took a leap of faith and I started M&M Garage Doors. I wasn't chasing money, I was chasing the opportunity to build something I was proud of. There was a Thanksgiving early on in business at a time where I didn't know when the phone was gonna ring next, but whatever happened that morning, the phone wouldn't stop ringing. And I remember looking back at that, running 5 or 6 service calls of customers with broken springs, and they're trapped in their garage on a very special, important day. I told myself that I was gonna go. And I ran those calls, I saved the day. It was moments like those that really, helped M&M Garage Doors get to where they are today by putting that customer first and their feelings and their experiences. That's what we're here to do. As we grew, I realized we weren't in the garage door business. We were in the people business. Every garage door we install affects a family. Every employee we hire affects a family. Every customer interaction is an opportunity to make someone's day easier. And that's why our core values are, number 1, safety. Safety is the most important thing here at M&M Garage Doors. We need to be safe in the customers' homes. We need to be safe in the garage. We need to be safe at our warehouse. Always be conscious of safety, because without safety, we can't be there for our customers. Number 2, honesty. Honestly, honesty has been with us since day one. It was part of our tagline. Do what you say you're gonna do, when you say you're gonna do it, is what's important. Number 3, innovation. You always wanna be challenging the status quo, whether that's with tools, with products, or technology. Number 4, respect. We treat people the right way, even when it's difficult, inconvenient, or when no one's watching. 5, passion. We don't just show up, we show up with purpose. We bring energy, enthusiasm, and pride to everything we do. We care about the outcome. We take ownership in our work, and we're committed to being better today than we were yesterday. To complement passion, we have training. All of our techs here at M&M Garage Doors go through an extensive training program, so that way they are prepared to work on your home the right way, the safe way, every time. We're still just getting started. Our mission is simple: raise the standard for the garage door industry, create great opportunities for great people, and deliver an experience that homeowners can trust. Whether you're a customer, an employee, or someone considering joining our team, thank you for being part of our journey. I'm Matt, and this is M&M Garage Doors.